own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been working on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been at it on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. I've been working on my own time, no, no, no. Flexing on my own dime, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Made it happen, making songs, man. I do that on a daily.
If you guys didn't remember, or if you guys don't remember, I actually sent my valve cover out to get powder coated. Here it is. Here it is. Came out really, really good. Shout out to Heartland Coating. They actually did it for me and it came out really, really nice. They did like a wrinkle white and it's whiter than white. I'm gonna go with a white theme on this car. This thing should look really, really good, and it came out really, really, really good. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna count to 3 and it should be on with magic. So 1, 2, 3, and with the power of YouTube, it is done. This literally took just a snap of a finger and it's done with the power of YouTube. As you can see, this actually looks really, really cool. It looks really, really nice. I'm happy I went with it. It makes the rest of the car look like garbage, but it is gonna get painted as soon as I can get my American title. Like I said, again, I need to take this, I need to tow it all the way to Palmetto in order for them to check the VIN of the paperwork and the VIN of the car. Once that clears, I should be able to get my title, and then we can start 5-speed swapping it. I actually might do it before I even get my title, just so I can start driving it right away, because like I said, again, I do have most of the parts. I just don't want to get into it because I don't have the title and I don't want to waste my time. What if I can't title it? Then I'm screwed. Like I said, again, I have a whole bunch of parts. I'm going to try to do something a little bit different in this channel instead of just doing video by video by video and never getting anything done. Every video we have to get something done, otherwise I'm not going to upload it, and I'm going to start doing this in every single video. So starting today, this channel is going to be a little different. If we don't finish it, we're not going to upload it. So who knows how long it's going to be until you see this video. But like I said, again, let's go out to the hatch and start on that. Like I said, again, we need to weld the front end. And by welding it, we just need to put a couple of tacks. As you can see, this is not connected whatsoever. It's actually, you have to tack weld, just a little tack here, a little tack here, here. You just need to tack it all around, honestly. It's really, really easy if you know how to weld. I don't know how to weld, and maybe even an idiot like me could probably do it. It just needs tiny little tacks. So the front end, whenever it gets pulled or anything like that, it needs a tack right here as well. Just tack it in place. Like there's holes where it used to have tacked welded into it, and the moment the front end ripped off, it ripped the welds as well. So it just needs to be tack welded all around.
I've been at it rolling, been feeling good lately. Better buy a damn jet ski, cause I'm so wavy. Own time, no, no, no. I've been at it on my own dime, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Moving on. Think my mind is finally really gone. Think it's time I finally write my wrongs. Writing down and put them in a song. Back in the rap again, I need to move and then find a beat.
Like you saw from that time lapse, my front end is officially back on the car. It came out looking pretty good, and it's sturdy, really, really sturdy. So this thing is not coming off anytime soon. I hope it doesn't come off anytime soon. Now what we need to do is open this box and start plumbing all the water, or not the water, all the coolant, hoses, radiator, everything. I have most of it here in this box. I have a couple things still coming in, but like I said, again, you guys are not going to see the whole video until everything's done. So this video is just going to be on my coolant or water setup on this car, the coolant setup on this car. We're going to try to put in the radiator, the hoses, and that should be for this video. But right now, we're actually going to go to Lowe's because I'm going to go buy tools. Ricardo says I can use this spot in his garage as long as I bring my own tools. Because I guess he doesn't want me to mess up his or something, or lose him or whatever. But that's pretty cool of him. So I'm gonna go buy some tools, and then we'll finish the coolant system on this. I have pretty much everything that I need. What I need to put my radiator on, I found actually all of this in O'Reilly's. First, I need these mounts for the radiator so they don't get scratched up. They go into these little holes right here. This one goes here. And there you go. I have the 2 little mounts. I got the hoses. In case anybody's doing this swap on a Civic, you actually have to get different Honda hoses. This one, the top one, is for a 94 Plus Del Sol. And this one, the bottom one, is actually for a 94 Plus Integra bottom. So you have to mix and match these hoses. I'm going to put the number right here if you guys are curious. Here's the number. Let it clear. There you go. 21404. This is the top Del Sol one for an H22 into a Civic, and here's the bottom 22703. All right, we have this. Next part is to actually open this box up and get the radiator, fan, and shroud out. So the reason I actually got this certain package is because it came with a shroud, it came with the fan, and it came with the radiator. It's all aluminum. Oh, I can't even say that. Aluminum. I can't say it. Whatever. You know what it is. Aluminum. Blah. Whatever. You know what it is. But it's actually pretty cheap because it's half the size of what, you know, a regular car takes. I bought all this for $88, almost 90 bucks. Really, really cheap. And honestly, I got the most expensive one on eBay because I'm like, oh, I don't want to risk the $40 one. So I paid for the $80 one, and it came with everything I needed. I think it was worth it. You know, a normal sized one. I think the one from my Miata, the one like Ricardo has over there, one of those, the Mishimoto one that I like with the fans and the shroud, that's easily like $300. That's a $300 package. 80 bucks, man. That's why people like Civics. So let's put this on. Let's stop talking and see how it looks. Just a quick heads up to you guys. The Integra hose, this one, the bottom one, actually fit perfectly. I had to do nothing to make it fit. The Del Sol one, it's fighting me a little bit. I have to cut it, and it's really, really tight on this thing. I know I'm going to get it to fit on the actual thing, but maybe there's better options in the Del Sol hose. It seems to be a little bit too tiny. It's too long, first off, and the opening itself is a little bit too tiny. It should work. It's gonna go something like this, but as you can see, it's way too long. I need to cut it like somewhere here, right here. So I'm cutting it right now. I was cutting it with a razor blade. I don't have one of those fancy hose cutters. I got tired of that, so I brought my Dremel. I'm gonna use my Dremel to cut it. Hopefully it's strong enough. This right here is probably the worst Dremel I've ever bought in my life, but it should be strong enough to just cut that thing. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. All right, let's see. Please. No, it's dying. I haven't charged the plug. Yeah. I take that back. It has no charge. Haven't charged it. So yeah, I'll probably resume this video tomorrow.
Day 2.
I actually wanted to show you guys what I bought yesterday before I start the video. I actually went to Lowe's and I saw this for an amazing deal. Originally this thing goes for $349. I got it for $179. Plus I bought a coupon on eBay. Yes, you can buy coupons on eBay. I bought a $1 coupon for $20 off at Lowe's for anything 100 or more. I used the coupon, ended up getting this whole thing for $170. So pretty much if you divide 170 by 141 pieces, it comes out to being like $1.20 per piece. That has the whole cart. And I do plan on building my garage this year, buying a plot of land and building myself a garage. So this is a good start. I don't really have tools. I have like 2 hand tools and a bag of tools, but this is gonna look really nice. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Well guys, here it is. Like I said, again, this is a really good bang for the buck. It comes with the key. It comes with pretty much everything you can need. And like I said, again, it's Cobalt, so it's not a really bad brand. It's not a, you know, it's not Snap-on or anything or Craftsman, but Cobalt isn't bad. And it comes with all this. It comes with a cart. I put everything on. All you really need to do is put the wheels and the handle. Everything else is already done for you. And I love the fact that it looks really, really organized. Like you can see over there, I have a big mess. I'm gonna try to take all those tools and put them in here. Now that we're done with this, now we gotta go back to Ricardo's garage and get started on the hatch. Hopefully finish the cooling system, which is the radiator hoses, and have everything tightened. So just wanted to show you guys, if you guys want to pick up something really, really affordable, right here, $179. This is Cobalt Pro 90 ratchet set. It comes with the ratchet set and the cart, so $179. I recommend going to eBay, getting a $20 coupon for $1, saving yourself $20 as well. So total, I got this for like $173, I believe. So it was a really, really good deal. I swear, I'm not even kidding. Like Florida storms, like regular rain clouds look like freaking hurricanes. Like it's so intimidating. If you're coming from somewhere else and you come to Florida, all of a sudden it'll be super sunny like over here, and all of a sudden, like, kid you not, probably 10 minutes in, it'll start looking like this. Like it's really, really dark. I don't even want to go out to Ricardo's garage right now because it's gonna start raining, and then the rain moves this car really, really bad. But you know what? I made up my mind that I'm not gonna upload a video unless I finish what I started. So we're gonna go anyways. Yeah, we're just gonna go. We're gonna finish it because I really, really want to get started. on uploading videos. It's been a while, but I made up my mind that I'm not gonna waste my time uploading videos that I don't finish something in. So this video is all about the cooling system. So we're gonna go and finish it. I did go to Harbor Freight and I picked up a couple things that I needed, like hose clamps and stuff like that. So we should have about everything. And yeah, Ricardo said he's gonna be over there, so at least I'm not gonna be alone. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna try to concentrate on the road. Well guys, first off, before anything else, I just want to apologize for not uploading like I should. And I also want to apologize for this video not being super entertaining, but it has to be done. And like I said again, you guys are no longer going to watch a video unless we get something done. We need to get this done and over with because I really want to start in the Unos. And for today, we actually did finish the cooling system. Every single hose is hooked up. Like I said again, if you guys are doing the swap, get the Delso hose, the upper hose, but make sure you don't cut it too short. I cut it a tad too bit short. It's still gonna work. It's gonna work perfectly fine, but I would have liked it a little bit in. Like I would have liked this hose to be like somewhere here, and it's holding about, I would say, 1 inch, which is, it's fine. The bottom Integra hose, like honestly, this is probably, it looks like it was made for this car. It looks like this swap and that hose was made for this swap. If that makes any sense. What I meant to say, it looks like this hose was made for this kind of swap. To be honest, I really want to finish this because there's a lot of body mods I want to do. I'm going to wide body the hatch, just so you guys know. We have a lot of things that I want to do, but in order for me to do that, I first have to get this car running. Ricardo doesn't want me to spend money until this car gets running. It's like, stop wasting your money on body mods. I also want to start in the Unos. I want to get it painted and stuff like that, but this has to be done first before anything else. I want it at my house. I want to take it to my house, and it's getting really close. So let's go get the intake from the inside of the car, stick it on, and that'll be it for this video. And there we go. Everything's finally put back together, and honestly, perfect timing because Florida is crazy and it's raining again. This thing is coming together really good, and I am going to boost this, so don't worry about that. But first we got to get running, and then I want to do body mods, and then we're going to send it out to paint, and then we'll boost it. I kind of want to enjoy it for a little bit. This should make decent power though because it's built and has cams and everything, so naturally aspirated, it should be fun. It's going to be quicker than a lot of cars, I'll tell you that. These cars, well, I'm expecting to get around 240, just stock built engine, and boosted I'm thinking of going around 600, so who knows. But that's it for this video, guys. It's actually raining really bad. I wanted to finish this. I'm gonna head out home before it gets really dark. I don't like driving the Miata in the rain. And like I said again, I do apologize for not uploading videos. We're gonna start uploading videos maybe once a week or so, but we are gonna finish things in every single video. If you don't get a video a week, it's because I'm actually collecting parts to finish one video. You know what? I'm going to take my time with these builds, and I'm going to make sure that every video is something we accomplished. For this one, we finished the cooling system. It's all hooked up, so it's ready to go. We just need 2 more things, and this thing should be ready to fire up. I'm also probably going to order a new fuel pump and new injectors because I kind of want to run E85. So we'll see what it makes on E85. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't too exciting, but it's something. I'll see you guys next time.